What? What? Oh yeah. Here's a review on the. Shit. Here's a review on the Sony Bluetooth headset urban camouflage. It's pretty cool and stuff. It works fine. I just got it yesterday, so it's pretty good. So it's just Bluetooth, and you just stick it on there, and bam, it's on. To set it for your PS3, you hold this button right here down, and you'll see blue. And it starts blinking, and it shuts for the device. And to check how to charge it, you press this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And if it's 2 reds that blink, that means it's full battery. Oh wait, no, I'm sorry. 3 blinks is full battery. To turn it off, you just press the power button on the very top, and it still does that. Then you let go, and then it's off. To charge it, you get this thing, which comes with it. And you just snap this thing on here. And there's a connection in the back, which is, cannot get it now, sorry. You just connect it to here, and the other connection is to the PS3 and it charges. You could tell when it charges because this thing stays red, so you can know if it's charging or not. It comes with instructions, Spanish, Chinese, all the weird things now. So yeah, it's a pretty good device for the PS3. I just got it yesterday for like 50 bucks. So yeah, you should grab yourself one too.